End of the road. The car's parked, and we got out the snowshoes and sleds. Adventure awaits.
We're dragging some luggage and lumber and whatnot, and heading on up the mountain.
We were able to park within a few kilometers, so the plan was to walk in. It is extremely hot today, so we are really starting to stink in the snow. Every step is a minefield. All right, we've been walking for about 2 hours, and we're getting close to the point where I think we're gonna be able to ditch the snowshoes and hike up.
Yes! What was that?
We must have walked right past that lake.
Oh, we're so close.
How does it look?
Oh, this is amazing.
Oh, perfect.
Fly, birdie, fly! A different one?
Sorry about that.
Snowman's worst nightmare.
Why not? It's shooting out like pop rockets. Ah! Chase.
Pizza. Oh, I got first!
Go. Yes!
A fire lookout was first established on this location in 1916, and you can still see some of the original foundation here. It was replaced in the 1950s by the more familiar hip roof style cabin, and that structure stands to this day, thanks primarily to the local off-road communities who maintain it. This is not going to end well. That's pretty good.